Are you playing with the stars from the previous video? So that's why you don't throw support from your previous videos. What about if we make nice toy for you? How you think? Hello everyone, and today we're gonna make a toy for my kid. So I remember when I was a kid, I had this circle, and then on top of that I had a head and small little arms. And no matter how you push it, it goes back. So I guess underneath, inside, on the bottom, there was a weight, and that's how it was always going back to the same position. So let's make something like that for my kid. So I'm gonna split this body for two pieces so I can easily fill it up with the weight, then attach everything together, and that way will be easier for the printer to print the actual sphere. Okay, let's open up Fusion 360 and make some toys. Now when we are finished with the modeling, let's print it out. Okay, so we're going to remove all these supports. We have another ring that we don't need. We have a nice tube. We can use it somewhere, I don't know where. So this is the top. Need to remove brim that I made. For that we're going to use knife and slightly cut on the side. And that looks good. We have another piece of support. That's out. And because we had the support, we still have a rough surface here, so when we add some weight to this toy, it will balance. Let's try to connect it together. It does connect, so the point is that when we're gonna add some weight, it's gonna stand by itself, but we need to add some weight here at the bottom. Let's do this. So I bought in the fishing store 30 grams weight. That's how it looks like. So we're gonna add, then we can attach it with hot glue. And I think we need even more weight. 30 grams definitely looks like not enough. Luckily I have, let's call it another 15 grams. So now we have approximately 40 grams. And it's time for hot glue. Let's warm it up. Okay, now when the hot glue is ready, let's fill it up with glue. I'm gonna make sure I put it everywhere so that it won't be attached and it's not gonna make some ugly noise. Oh, it looks beautiful. So that's how it looks after adding the glue. Now let's wait a little bit for the glue to get dry and assemble our model. Okay, when everything pretty much dry, let's try to put it to the test one more time. Perfect. Let's see the center. Perfect. Now, when we're happy, let's glue it together. As I mentioned before, I hate to use super glue, but in this model we have to use some glue. Okay, now I need to be careful. I need to make sure that everything is glued well. Then I'm gonna squeeze it all together. Good. So, that's what we have. I wish I can paint it to make it more beautiful, but unfortunately I don't have paint for kids filament PETG, so I think it's quite safe for the children to play. It looks quite strong. The weight is heavy, seems we have 45 grams inside. It does the job. You can spin it and it's gonna dance. We can call it always standing doll. So now when we made a toy, let's go and put it to the test. Daniel, look what I have for you. Look, you can put it on the floor and it's going like this. You can rotate it like this. You rotate it on the side. See, it goes around you. So as you can see, the kids really like this toy, and I can say it's durable because we had it few times fall down from his hands, and then accidentally I drop it from the normal human height, and it's just bounced from the floor, didn't break. So I guess it's pretty much safe for the kid's height to drop it, and definitely it's not gonna break. But for that you need to of course print from PETG. Of course you can download this model on Thingiverse for absolutely free. If you really like the video, please like, subscribe, because all this I'm making it exactly for you, because without any subscribers there is no point to make these videos. Take care, and we'll see us in our next video.